Hi everybody, welcome back. Got another real quick video for you. Well, hopefully it's quick. So I've been bopping around the internet on YouTube and watching different videos on using the Tamiya clear paints and how to, get the best use out of them for color and things like that. So last night I decided to experiment a little bit with what I had watched and some of the techniques people had used and all that kind of stuff. So I just thought I'd show you some of my results, and also got to play with my new airbrush, which is this. It's a PS290 or at least Mr. Hobby sells it. I bought it because of this trigger, and I was finding that the other style, which for long-term airbrushing and things like that, this was getting to be a little, I don't know, my hand would fatigue a whole lot faster than it was with this one. So I used this airbrush on all of these last night. So that was, in fact, it had come in the mail yesterday, so I broke it out and tried it out. And I've got to say that this larger cup is wonderful. I really like having the amount of volume that you can put in here. So I really like that. So this was fun. Oh, and the other nice thing too is the air adjustment is this little knob back here. So you're able to dial in airflow a little bit better than what I found with this one, this Extreme Patriot. So the airflow is there and is okay. Can be a little finicky. I think this is a much better design, to be honest with you. But anyway, okay, so that's enough on the airbrushes. So color-wise, so what I was attempting to do, I have some ideas. I think I mentioned this once before. I have the Foos Cadillac that I want to build, so I was looking for different way to paint it and come up with something that looked really sharp and all that kind of fun stuff. And started getting into, I guess you would call these the candy colors. Not exactly sure if that's the correct term or not, but decided to try this out and see what happens. I was trying to be a little systematic with what I was doing. The clears that I currently have are red, yellow, and blue, and orange. That's what I have. And I think there's a green out there, and then smoke is also the other clear that they have. I didn't try the smoke one, and I don't have the clear, or the green. When I get it, I'll experiment with that too. But so what I did at first, and I'll just kind of show you what I did here real quickly. So this B right here means that it's got a black undercoat. You can see partly there. And then I sprayed titanium silver. These are all Tamiya paints. And then orange over the top. And that was the result. Looks nice. It's got a nice cover. It's nice and hard. It's, based on everything I've seen, this combination of things worked really well. But what then I also did, and I did this for all for orange, blue, red, and yellow. I did the same thing just to see what they would look like over a gray and white primer. So here it is in black with the orange, gray with the orange, then white. Not too much of a difference. This one's a lot lighter, obviously. These two are close, although this one's got some darker hints to it here around the edge that kind of pop up. So I was experimenting. So this is me having fun and experimenting. But then what I also did, so that was titanium silver. And I didn't do this with the rest of them because I ran out of spoons. But the rest of them, so I did titanium gold with a black undercoat with yellow. Right? And that's kind of how that looked. Here it is with just a white undercoat. Maybe what I'll do is I'll hold these up so you can actually see the difference. There's the gray. There's the gray one. And again, these first few spoons, this was me also playing with the new airbrush and trying to figure everything out. So some of the coats aren't very good. They got better as I went along because I got more and more used to using the airbrush. But yeah, it's not too bad. So this is all titanium gold, and then with yellow sprayed over it under a black, or over a black, white, and gray primer. Then what I decided to do is I took the titanium gold and sprayed it right onto the white plastic of the spoon, right, with no primer. So this is titanium gold. I can't hold them all. Titanium gold with red, blue, orange, and then yellow. And these turned out really well. I really like the red. I think that turned out really nice. The blue is a nice color too. These are okay. I'm not totally in love with them, but they look good. You know, if that's the kind of color you're going for. But there's that. So there was those. And then essentially I did the same thing right on down the line. Let me show you these. So here it is with chrome silver over black, white and gray with the blue. Now on some of the videos I saw, people were spraying a gloss black primer for the chrome silver. I didn't do that. I had already sprayed some of these with a flat black, and that's what I went with. So the gloss black may change the overall outcome of this color, but for the most part, it's done with a flat black. So not too bad. So there's those, and I'll show you what those colors look like. Might pick them all up. So then, chrome silver with blue and yellow, red, and then orange. I really like the orange on this one is an interesting color. I like that. The red turned out really well, and the blue turned out really well. The yellow is okay. It's not my favorite, but it's okay. If I had to pick one out of here, I would go with probably the red, and then blue, and then the orange, although this is kind of a nice color. And, oh, the other color I don't have metallic-wise is bronze. So eventually I'm going to have to buy some bronze and try it. But this is the copper. And I really like the finish on these. So this was under So here it is with the black, white, and gray with red over it. I really like this one. This one really, lots of depth in that one. Again, all flat primers. But this is copper, so it's over a copper metallic base. But this one is really eye-catching. I really like this one. There's that. Then I'll show you, again, these are just over plain white spoon. Again, this is copper. There's red, blue, yellow, and orange. The orange is really nice. The blue is really nice. The red's really nice too. Although I think that's a better red. So I just thought I'd show you what I was playing with and just some of my thoughts about it. The Tamiya clears covered really well and very quickly. The metallics, also the same thing. They covered very well. They dried very quickly. And I also thinned all of them with 91% isopropyl alcohol is how I thinned everything. So that's that. So again, just like I said, just a little experiment on my part. A, just to get used to my new airbrush, and B, just to kind of have some fun with practicing with the new airbrush and some of the colors and some of the results you can get. If you guys have any comments about anything that I did with this, you know, or ways to improve what I've done here, please leave them down below, because I know most of you guys have done stuff like this before, so you guys have a little bit better knowledge than I. I will go back and I'm going to try to pick up the green clear and the bronze metallic from Tamiya and try those and see how they turn out. And then also I may try the chrome silver with a gloss black undercoat, and just to see how that works too. So I hope everybody's doing well. I know this is my second video of the week. There'll probably be one more video coming this week. So everybody take care. Hope you're all doing well. Please like, share, and subscribe, and leave a comment. Again, thank you to all my subscribers. I'm hoping you find the information here in the videos interesting. And I will talk to you all soon. Bye.